leading to the potential for a flash freeze. This will cause travel conditions to rapidly deteriorate. Avoid outside activities if possible. Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Friday. Wind chill warning in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to noon Saturday. For Muskegon County for the winter weather advisory. Total snow accumulations up to 2 inches, with flash freeze conditions possible. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. For the wind chill warning, dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 25 below zero. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Avoid outside activities if possible. When outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. If you are going outside, watch your first few steps taken on stairs, sidewalks, and driveways. These surfaces could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Friday. Wind chill warning remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Hocking, and Pickaway.